Hola amigos, hi my friends, and welcome back to my kitchen and the Gravity Body Academy headquarters, where today we are going to be making a West African peanut stew. This is delicious. If you've never had anything with peanut butter in your stew, you're missing out. It's absolutely fantastic. I've made it for us before and we just ate it right up. Now you can use your favorite vegetables that you have on hand. That's the beauty of vegan cooking. So many things go well together. So this is what I'm using today, but feel free to use what you have. You'll want some toasted peanuts, a little bit of olive or avocado oil, and a pinch of salt, and then place that in a food processor or blender, processing until it's nice and creamy. Then you want to chop your vegetables. I'm using some onion and jalapeno and carrot and red bell peppers, as well as potatoes. You could also use a sweet potato. Then add a little bit of olive oil or avocado to your pan. Once it's warm, you can saute your onion with a pinch of salt for about 6 minutes. Letting that go. It's a beautiful day here. Then you want to mince some garlic, slice some eggplant, put some salt on it, mince your ginger, chop your broccoli, and then add your peppers and cook for about 5 minutes. Then your garlic and ginger, cook for a few more minutes. Then add your ground cumin, your paprika, chili powder, vegetable broth powder. Give that a mix for about 30 seconds, and then add your water and potatoes and cook for about 15 minutes or until it simmers. Meanwhile, you can chop some cilantro and take the excess salt off the eggplant, and adding the eggplant, the broccoli, and the tomatoes, as well as some cooked beans using your favorite kind, and the peanut butter. Now you can add this now or at the end. I've done it both ways and it's really good. Then you want to cook it for about 20 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And then you can serve it chunky or blend it until it's nice and creamy. I really love it creamy. Then you can serve it with some quinoa or your favorite grain or rice. Then add the creamy, yummy stew, as well as some cilantro and maybe a little bit of cayenne, and enjoy. In the end, you end up with a ginormous pot of this delicious, creamy, peanut butter, West African inspired stew with tons of vegetables, no meat, and just delicious flavors. It's really fantastic, and with all the vegetables and everything, it's really great for your health. You could even use almond butter to make it that much healthier for you. Then I've got some quinoa and some cilantro, and then when you put it all together, you have a nice bowl, and you can even just drink it like soup. We've done that before. Sensational, absolutely so creamy. I just love a creamy textured soup. You can of course have it as a stew if you prefer it more chunky. So you can even add just a little bit of lime juice on top, or even just directly into your soup. And just look how creamy it is. So creamy. If you want this bangin' recipe, then you can go get it at artisticvegan.com, and I hope to see you next time. This has been Christa, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video for more content. Bye.